So this is it, man. This is my Honda 600 double R. When I first got it, it was black, and I was a new rider, so I didn't want to ride it around and not get seen and get smacked or something. I didn't want to react to it in the wrong way. But it's a good bike. I got it from a guy who hooked me up because we were both veterans, so he dropped down the price for me. So shout out to all the veterans out there. Put my 808 all day sticker since from Hawaii. So how's it? Aloha to all the locals. Spread the word. TwistOfTheRisk. It's the guy from Hawaii. But dude, this bike is awesome. The first time I dropped it right in front of my house because I wasn't real confident and the bike was a little tall for me, or I was a little too short for it. I got a little ding right here. Not too crazy, because my daughter came up to me and I didn't want to hit her, so my second choice, besides the obvious of doing it right, is dropping the bike. Laid it down real slow, so not too crazy. And then a few weeks after that, we were out in the country and I didn't read a corner right, and I wiped out. So here's the damages right here, and then the bottom fairing broke. But everything's good, man. Shout out to those guys. Everything's good. We started the bike right up and we went at it. As for the mods, we got a Two Brothers racing exhaust. Like I said, it's got a 2-inch drop on it. It's also got an upgraded chain along with a sprocket, and tires are a little bit bigger, I guess. But other than that, man, this bike is awesome. The turn signals are flushed. Not really, but you know, we don't want those little butterflies out there. I know people don't like this thing, but other people do. Fly in it. But a super nice day. I'm just out here riding, having some fun. I'll probably block this out, but whatever, it's all good. I'm actually gonna extend this bike. It already came in. I'm just waiting for some buddies to give me a hand with it. And it's gonna change the chain again. So I'm gonna extend it. I don't know how far, but a lot of people are hating on the extension, but I'm not planning to like hit the twisties with this thing. You know, nothing crazy. But yeah, man, this is it right here. Oh yeah, when I crashed, I broke the mirrors too, so my girl got me some new mirrors. This was supposed to be my girl's bike. This was supposed to be her bike when I first got it. Then I was supposed to get 1,000, but I was like, whew, I'm glad I didn't get that 1,000. Dang, Fireblade. But I'm loving this thing, man. So, my plans for this bike is to, I don't know, after I get used to it again and maybe I stop crashing, but I'm going to change the fairings. So, for the ones who knows me, I see me in the military, so I actually want to do it like a Humvee color gloss, like tan, like desert style, you know, and then put some designs on it, maybe some islands, some tribal. But that's where I want to be at. I'm probably going to lower the front just a tad bit since we lowered the back. But yeah, so like I said, if you're starting out, I know people say don't start on 600, but if you put the effort in, man, and you want to build that comfort, and you want to build that confidence, by all means start on a 600. But your option, you have the option of running into a 300 Ninja, and that bike is awesome because it literally looks like a super sport. But this is enough for me, and I don't regret it. Even after I wiped out, I don't regret it. So thanks for following me, guys. I'm gonna get back on the bike and head back out. But see, as of right now, I mean, I can hold the bike up, but not each side. I'm literally tippy-toeing on both sides. So shout out to the shorter riders, man, because you guys gotta do a little extra. So let's get this thing going. Also, gear. Make sure you, if you're gonna ride, man, make sure you wear gear. We learned the hard way. But I just bought some gloves. Shout out to my boy Soka for hooking up with this jacket. This actually saved my life. This is the jacket I was wearing when I crashed, man, and it did its job. And it was all messed up. Like if you look, like ripped here, ripped here. It was all green through the grass and dirt, and so we ended up washing it. So I'm actually attached to this thing now. So shout out to that guy for hooking it up. All I had to do is get him some beer and call it even. Alright, so let's get out of here. Sounds good. Maybe make it back home. Whoa, look at that. Or maybe visit a friend. I'm not sure yet. It runs good, man.